Hello CIS scholars. How are you children? All are doing good? So children, today we are going to continue our exercise from the grammar magic. That is chapter number 4, punctuation mark. Exercise A, B and C. So let's start children. So children, let's solve an exercise. It is given in 16 page number. Before starting it children, I would like that everyone should open your book and keep with you and try to solve this exercise with me children. So it will be easy for you to complete this exercise. Okay. So let's start children. Place a comma in the right places in these sentences. So children, do you remember where to use comma? So children, before starting it, I would like to recall again. So it will be easy for you to understood it and to complete this exercise. So children, where we use comma? Yes, we use comma to provide a pause, okay, or a chance to get your breath back in a long sentence children. So children, whenever in a sentence there is a pause or if a sentence is very long, that time we make use of comma. While writing any sentence, we make use of comma. And second rule, where we use comma? When we are listing some items, okay, when we are listing numbers of items, numbers of things, that time also we make use of comma. And third rule, when we separate some name of person, okay, we are speaking to, that time also we make use of comma. Here are some example. So if you see this example, you will get the idea where to use it. Okay. So let's begin. First one, Ranjit purchased a bottle of glue. Put comma here children in your book. Glazed paper, comma, sketch pens and 2 strings of ribbon for the project. So children, did you see? We have put here comma, here also comma, here comma. Why? Because it is showing some things, some items. There are some names of some things. Okay. So whenever children you see there are some names of some things given in the sentence, we make use of comma. And at the end there should be full stop because this is a complete sentence. So it is necessary to put full stop at the end of the sentence. Second, at college, comma, she studies music, comma, maths, comma, science and calligraphy. Full stop. Here also there are some subject which are listed. And here I have used comma. Why? Because at college, she study music, maths, science and calligraphy. Okay, it's showing some pause while talking, that at college. Understood children? Whenever we are giving some strength, giving some pause while talking, we need to put comma in the given sentence. Third, where did you leave my keys, comma, Shriya? Question mark, because it's some question, someone is asking some question, that where did you leave my keys, comma, Jia. Fourth, her friend is an intelligent, comma, brave and a helpful person, full stop. Fifth, our train stopped at Shimla, comma, Rampur, comma, Sarhan and Kinnaur. At the end there should be full stop. Sixth, I love to help my mother in gardening, comma, cooking, comma, baking and sculpting, comma, full stop at the end. 7. We ate cheese and crackers, comma, spaghetti, pizza and pancakes on her birthday. So children, here also comma will come. So put comma here after spaghetti, comma, then pizza and pancakes on her birthday. Then at the end there should be full stop. 8. We can play tennis, comma, snakes and ladder, cards, comma, hide and seek and kho on sport day. So children, now I hope you have understood it, where to use comma. Okay children, but there are some more questions. There are total 12, but 4 you need to solve by your own children. Okay. So children, let's complete another exercise. B. Punctuate these sentences with appropriate punctuation marks. First one, oh no, the bridge has collapsed. So children, it's showing something. Yes, that oh no. When we use this word, when we use this, that oh my God. Yes, when we are in some situation, in tough situation, that time we make use of such words that oh no. If we use hooray when we are very happy, yes, and we say alas when we are very sad, wow when we are very surprised. Yes, these are some words. We make use of such word when we are very happy. What are these children? These all are called, yes, some expressions. Yes, very strong feeling. Okay, when we show something. So, in this type of feeling, we make use of some marks. They are called exclamation mark, isn't it? So, in this sentence, we are going to use it. Oh no, there is a pause. So, we need to put comma here when there is a pause in a sentence. The bridge has collapsed. So at the end, there should be, yes, exclamation mark. Second, had the queen, the king, and the princess had their breakfast? Asked the minister. So children, it's asking some question. So in a sentence, whenever we are asking some question, we need to put question mark. Yes. Third one, pizzas, comma, burger, comma, ice cream, comma, French fries and cake will be served at my birthday party. So remember children, we have used here comma because it's showing some things. There are different types of item which is listed in this sentence. Fourth one, phew, I have finally completed my project. So it is showing some reaction, some action. So children, if any sentence is showing some action, we need to put, yes, exclamation mark. Fifth one, is this the way to your aunt house? Question mark. Because it is asking some question, that is this the way to your aunt's house? So we have put here question mark at the end of the sentence. Sixth, J.K. Rowling, the author of the famous Harry Potter series, is my neighbor. So children, you have seen the movie of Harry Potter? Yes. And who is the author of it? J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling, the author of the famous Harry Potter series, is my neighbor. So children, I have used here comma because I need to put some pause here while talking. And at the end, there should be full stop. Seventh, my dog and aesthetic terrifying everyone. So children, my dog, I have put a pause here, and aesthetic terrifies everyone. So I have used here full stop at the end. So children, but in this exercise there are 3 more questions that you need to solve by your own. Now I know it will be very easy for you to solve it. So yes children, now look at the picture. Add appropriate punctuation marks wherever required. So children, this exercise is given in your page number 17. Okay, look at this exercise children. Here some picture is given, and in this picture one girl is standing holding her toys bag. Yes, Can you see toys are written on this bag? And one man is standing. He is talking with this girl. And one boy is running. So children, by seeing this picture, you might have identified that they are going somewhere, isn't it? But where they are going, that we need to see, we need to study this exercise. So children, look at this paragraph which is given in your book. So children, can you see something? Yes, there is no punctuation marks, isn't it? But we need to put it, children. So let's begin. We decided to go for a picnic on Sunday. Yes, they are going on a picnic. Put full stop here. I got up early and packed my games, comma, drawing books, comma, colors and ball. Full stop. Ria asked, comma, and we'll put here a quotation mark, semicolon. Can we take our basket of toys? Question mark, quotation mark closed. Said, oh yes! Exclamatory mark. We can take it. Full stop. It will be fun. Full stop. Mom will drive the car today and Dad will sit at the back seat with me. Full stop. We help Mom and Dad in preparing our favorite food. Full stop. We took along lemon pie, comma, apples, comma, sandwiches and cake. Full stop. Dad had a little surprise for Mom. Full stop. It was her birthday and we decided to gift her a book today. Full stop. So children, these are some quotation marks that we have used here. Okay. I hope you have understood where to use quotation mark. So children, before using it, you should learn the rules. Okay, you should remember the rules. You should study it well. Then it will be easy for you to solve any exercise, means any grammar exercise. Okay, children, but I have given you some questions from A, B, isn't it? There are only 4 or 3 questions. Try to solve it by your own. Okay, so before doing this, you need to study at home. Okay, cooperate with your parents, children. Okay, till then, stay home, stay safe, children. Goodbye.